Imagine cruising down the highway with all the comforts of a luxury home right behind the driver's seat. For some truckers, that dream isn't a fantasy, it's reality. These aren't ordinary semis. They're fully customized machines with massive sleepers that rival high-end RVs, complete with real kitchens, spacious beds, entertainment systems, and even full bathrooms. Yet beneath all that comfort, they remain powerful, road-ready workhorses built to haul serious loads. Let's take a closer look at 4 incredible builds that redefine what life on the road can be. Peterbilt 567. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to carry your entire home with you? Not in a small camper, but inside a powerful, road-dominating semi. That's exactly what this custom Peterbilt 567 delivers. It already stands strong in the trucking world for its durability, modern styling, and job site toughness. But this particular build takes everything people respect about the 567 and pushes it into a completely different league. At first glance, it looks like a serious work truck. Bold stance, commanding grille, and that unmistakable long nose presence. But the real surprise begins behind the cab. This version is equipped with a massive 180-inch sleeper. That's more than 14 feet of dedicated living space built directly into the truck. To put that into perspective, that's larger than many tiny homes and studio apartments. It's not just a place to rest between loads. It's designed for full-time living on the highway. Under the hood, the performance matches the size. It's powered by the PACCAR MX-13, a 12.9-litre inline-six engine producing up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That kind of strength means this truck isn't sacrificing capability for comfort. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission and a 6x4 drivetrain, it delivers smooth, controlled power, whether it's climbing steep mountain grades or hauling heavy freight across long interstate stretches. And despite the extended sleeper length, the ride remains surprisingly refined. With air suspension in the rear and a parabolic setup up front, the truck absorbs road imperfections and keeps things stable. So even with what feels like a small apartment attached, it still handles like a professional long-haul machine. Now step inside, and this is where expectations completely change. The sleeper doesn't resemble a traditional truck cab at all. Instead, it feels like walking into a private studio designed for comfort and relaxation. There's a true king-size bed, not a narrow bunk, giving the driver real space to stretch out after long hours behind the wheel. A refrigerator and microwave make meal prep simple, eliminating the need for constant truck stop food. Recliners provide a place to unwind, while a flat-screen TV and surround sound system turn downtime into a genuine home theater experience. And yes, there's even a full bathroom with a shower. That means no waiting in line at rest areas, no relying on public facilities, just privacy and convenience whenever needed. Freightliner Argosy. The Freightliner Argosy stands out instantly thanks to its unusual layout and dramatic presence. Stretching about 32 feet long, it's nearly double the length of a typical tractor. Its rear-mounted engine design opens up the front for an expansive, uninterrupted living area. Under the rear housing sits a Detroit diesel inline-six producing around 500 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration. Despite its size, the truck delivers stable and steady performance. The custom sleeper resembles a compact apartment. A full kitchen, complete bathroom, double bed, refined wood finishes, and ambient lighting turn the interior into a high-comfort retreat. The exterior often features detailed paintwork and murals, giving it the personality of a rolling art piece. Builds like this typically take years of planning and craftsmanship, reflecting the owner's lifestyle and vision. Kenworth W900 L100th Anniversary Edition. Few trucks carry the heritage of the Kenworth W900 L100th Anniversary Edition. Celebrating a century of the brand, this special edition blends classic long-nose styling with rare exclusivity. And in this configuration, it includes a sleeper exceeding 13 feet in length. Under the hood is a Cummins X15 15-litre engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and more than 2,000 lb-ft of torque. An 18-speed manual transmission and 6x4 drivetrain ensure maximum driver control and capability. Full air suspension maintains comfort even with the extended structure. Inside, luxury dominates the design. Massage seating, a gourmet-style kitchenette, stainless cabinetry, a queen bed, a fully equipped bathroom, and ambient LED lighting elevate the experience. Anniversary badging, polished wheels, and detailed trim make it equally impressive at truck shows or on cross-country hauls. Some interior components are even crafted with yacht-level attention to detail, bringing marine-grade refinement into trucking. Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab. The Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab merges classic American truck styling with modern technology and comfort. Its extended custom sleeper measures over 150 inches, more than 12.5 feet of living space, designed for drivers who spend extended time on the road. Powered by the PACCAR MX-13 engine, producing up to 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pounds-foot of torque, it pairs with a 12-speed automated transmission and 6x4 drivetrain for balanced efficiency and strength. Despite its size, it maintains a smooth and controlled ride. Inside, the Ultra Cab feels refined and contemporary. A queen-size bed, built-in refrigerator, microwave, overhead cabinetry, dedicated climate control, and ambient LED lighting create a comfortable living environment. Leather upholstery, chrome accents, and a fully digital dashboard blend tradition with innovation. From the outside, its long hood, vertical exhaust stacks, and gleaming chrome preserve that unmistakable classic stance.